Sorry, you need to take that hood down.
They call it the hood because
He broke the lunchbox. He broke my favorite lunchbox.
Ellen.
Look at that. It doesn't even close anymore. It looks like a rah. There's a thing in it. That's what she said. Dylan!
Oh, no, I didn't mean to do it. Sorry.
Broke my lunchbox. My boyfriend's over there, but you can't see him. Ah! Lunchbox breaker.
Oh, shit.
Look at your own camera. He broke my lunchbox.
I broke it.
He broke my lunchbox. What the heck? What happened? I sent her a text message that said, shit, Mom, it started.
Shit, what?
Nothing. Yo, you're screwed. You're
I'm not
screwed.
screwed.
Yes, you're screwed.
I was screwed, but I may not still be screwed.
Yeah, no, you're screwed.
Still not.
Have you told Brandon yet?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
I'm not. I am not,
I'm gonna
okay?
take her go get a pregnant test.
No, I'm not pregnant, people.
Oh, fuck.
I'm not pregnant.
No, she is not.
I'm not
shit.
pregnant.
Getting one. You're not getting any more.
No, I'm not.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.